Hello, it's Paul Hauk here. Thank you very much for joining me on today's session. Uh, if you would like to check out our website and find out any more information, you can always go to www.beneco.ca. That's beneco.ca. In today's session, what I'd like to discuss is our renewal checklist that we provide to all of our clients. It's really important to keep a number of things in mind as you're progressing throughout the year, and a renewal is a good time to reassess things. The first thing that we always remind people to do is to do salary updates. Sometimes your life insurance and your accidental death and dismemberment are calculated using life insurance, and all your disability components, short and long-term disability, are based on your actual income. So it's really important that as you increase salaries for employees, that they're updated on the system. Should they ever become disabled, then they have the proper amount of coverage. The next thing that we remind people of is the non-evidence maximums. Now, non-evidence maximums give you a certain amount of coverage without any medical questions asked. And it's all based on the size of your group. So the bigger the group gets, the higher the non-evidence maximum a person is able to receive. So if you're going through significant growth, it's really important to make sure that those non-evidence maximums are kept up to date as well. Participation is another really big issue that people tend to forget about and don't realize the importance of it. It is really important that anybody working a minimum of 20 hours per week as an employee of the company should be included on your group benefits plan. If you have any contract workers and those types of things, please talk to us about that, because they shouldn't be added to your base plan because they are contract employees. There are ways of providing them coverage, but you need to make sure that anybody working 20 hours a week or more is actually included on the plan. The next reminder is on beneficiary nominations. It's really important that as people go through changes in life, maybe they get married or divorced or those kinds of things, that they're updating their beneficiary nominations on their forms. It happened to my wife and I at one point. We actually found out 5 years into our marriage that we had missed changing the beneficiary on one of her life insurance policies. So it can happen to anybody. It happened to us, and we're in the industry. So please make sure that you notify your employees to make changes to the beneficiary should they want to do so. The next topic that we touch on is taxability. Now, you want to make sure that the employees are paying all the benefits they should be for tax purposes. So the benefits that have tax ramifications to an employee are life insurance, dependent life, short and long-term disability. It's really important that the employee pays those premiums with after-tax personal dollars so they don't have any issues at claim time or tax time when dealing with the Canada Revenue Agency. So it's important that you have that up to date. The other things, just general things that we remind people of, is that if there's a lifestyle change of some sorts, you get married, there's a divorce, somebody has a baby, those people have 31 days to make sure that they get those people or make that change with the benefit plan. So if somebody has a child, as an example, that's a big area where many times people have a baby and they don't think to add them to the benefit plan. It's not something that they're using the health or dental benefits for them right away. And then down the line, when they need a prescription or something for the child, they find out that they were never added and they become a late applicant, which causes all kinds of issues. So it's important that 31 days after somebody has a baby or gets married or those types of things, they make the change and add them to the benefit plan as soon as possible, so they don't have any health questionnaires that they need to fill out and that kind of thing. So that's a quick little run through of the checklist that we provide our clients. Again, if you would like to find out more information on Beneco or the benefit specialist, please go to our website at beneco.ca. That's beneco.ca. And once again, I appreciate you joining me here today, and take care. Bye now.